Accounting Introduction. What is income? What are incomes or revenues? When we talk about these five main heads of accounts on which entire accounting is based on, what does this fourth term income means? We are talking about the introduction of accounting. You are watching Commerce Lecture Online. Let's discuss the term incomes or revenue according to these heads of accounts. Revenues are inflows of assets received in exchange for goods or services provided to the customer as a part of business operation. Whatever services we are giving to our customer, whatever is the main source of income or generating revenue for the business is termed as the revenues or incomes of the business. If it is a trading business, the main source of revenue is by selling the goods or merchandise. Whatever sales we are generating every day is the income for every day. Whatever sales we are incurring for the entire month, that is the income for entire month. If it is a service business, the main source of income will be the service income. If we are selling educational services, we are charging fee, then the main source of income will be fee earned. If we are a commission agent or a broker and we are earning commission due to the services given by us, it will be our commission income. All the profits, revenues generated in a particular accounting period are termed as incomes or revenues in the language of accounting according to the main heads of accounts. The main example of income which we see in our everyday accounting questions are sales income, which we generate by selling the merchandise. For every trading business, sales revenue is the main source of income. We sell the merchandise and we receive money, that is our sales income or sales revenue. If we are a service business, we render the services to our clients. Whatever money we are receiving is termed as service income. If we had deposited our money in the bank and we are earning interest on it, the main source of income is interest for us, and this will be termed as our interest income. If we had purchased shares of any joint stock company, the part of profit given by the joint stock company to shareholders is called dividend. Then whatever amount we are receiving as dividend will be our dividend income. If we are giving educational services or consultation services to our clients or students, whatever fee we are charging will be our fee income or fee revenue. If we had given the property for use to our tenant for a purpose of receiving rent, the amount which we will receive from our tenant will be termed our rent revenue. So rent which we are receiving against our house or shop will be termed as the rent revenue. So the main incomes on which accounting is based on are given here. Beside this, whatever incomes or revenues a firm or organization are earning will also be classified as incomes for that particular business. Like, share, subscribe, Commerce Lecture Online.